ahead and apologize for the echoing because I know that it's going to echo. But anywho, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica, where I do lifestyle, travel, and beauty content. I'm a 26-year-old content creator. Yeah, let's get into it. I got my own apartment a couple months ago, back in December, and I've slowly been trying to like decorate and get it together. Right now, I need to unbox my TV. So the TV that I got, turn it this way. Samsung 65-inch U7900F Crystal UHD. This is big enough for the living room. So I need to unbox this. So that's what I'm about to do. And we're gonna see how beautiful she looks. Also, I need to register my TV. Just lower y'all so I can see better. Register the TV for the warranty so that can be valid. It was basically $350 at Walmart. So yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, I can't see that. I can't see the colors. It's beautiful. What? Oh yeah, boy. I just want to show y'all the TV. That's all I need. Oh, and it closed so classy. Yeah, clock it. I be picking me a good TV. When I was a kid, you know, my parents were together to have two different households I would have for like Christmas and stuff like that. So I would get gifts on both sides. So one year I had two Wii's. I don't know what happened to the white Wii. I might have lost it in the house fire or, you know, gave it to my stepmom or whatever. I really don't remember. So I had two Wii's. I love me a Wii. Like Wii was my absolute favorite game system, right? The other day I decided, I was like, well, let me ask my dad and see if he still has my Wii or whatever. Come to find out, he was just about to throw it away, but he wasn't gonna throw it away without asking. You know, we're courteous in that way, respectful in that way. Not even courteous, respectful in that way. Y'all, let me show you. Bro, tell me what, he had my Wii console. Okay, and then my bajillion games. Let me tell you something. We got Wolverine, X-Men. I love this game. I was always so complicated. I didn't know how to play it, but man, y'all know this is my girl. Coraline, like a Coraline video game. Coraline. So, hey everyone, welcome back. Okay, so first step, I'm going to, well, one, I'm about to start building this TV stand. Yeah, TV stand. First thing I'm gonna do is, these are the feet of it. So this is the bottom of it. It's gonna be on the floor. First thing I'm gonna do is take some of these sliders and put them on the bottom of those, because just in case I have to move it, I don't want it to, excuse me, I don't want it to scratch the floor. So. finally finished the body, to be honest. I finished the body. This is where I'm at now. And I will be putting the drawers on tomorrow. Not the drawers, the doors and the shelves on tomorrow. But it looks really freaking good. And yeah, I love it. I love it. And soon, my TV will be up there. My couch will be over there. All this stuff will be inside of my cabinets. The majority of it will be inside my cabinet. I'm gonna have a little office desk in this corner at some point. I might keep this light. I might not keep this light. It's a big tall lamp. Don't know what I'll do with it. Might just give it away to my bestie at some point. If I find like a little corner, whatever, I'll figure something out. But let's get together. Might keep the lamp, might get rid of the lamp because I might come up with end tables with lights and stuff like that. Don't know. We'll figure that out later at a different day. I have to go cook, so yeah, I will see y'all when it's time to finish this up tomorrow. Okay, I'm back and now I'm putting together the cabinets. This is instructions for it. I don't want to take too long doing this. I really want to be done putting my cabinets on by what time? By 8 o'clock, 8:30. By the time my laundry's done, I want to be done putting my cabinets in. So I'm not gonna keep you guys any longer. Let's get into it.
Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance. Boy, boy, boy. Tell the way you move it, got me in a trance. Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance. Tell the way you move it, got me in a trance. All these cheeks poppin' pussy, I'm just poppin' bang. Short hair like need a long, loose one she don't need a long. She start twerking when she hear a song. Stripper pole her income. We get trippin' and then some. So nasty when she rollin'. She put that ass off in my hands, I remote control it. She give me down when the roof gone. At the KOD, she leave with me. She got friends, bring 3. I got drugs, I got drink. Bend it open, Juicy J gon' poke it like wet paint. You say no to ratchet pussy, Juicy J can't. Racks everywhere, they showing racks, I'm throwing racks. In the VIP, rubber on them stretching that. Tell the way you move it, got me in a trance. Bands will make her dance, bands will make her dance.
So this is the couch, you guys. I gotta get the rest of my space together, but this is the couch. I've had it since May, so June, July, August. It's August now. Well, by the time I upload this, it'll still be August. Currently, it's August. That's what we focus on. Currently, it's August. Love my couch. Can't wait to get the rest of my furniture and my decorations and everything. So that's the couch. Bob's Discount Furniture. It's a 10 out of 10. I love it. Is mine. I guess see my laptop up on the floor charging. Don't pay that no attention. My TV stand, my beautiful TV stand, and my TV. Let me show you. When she turns on, it's just so classy. Like, I love the way that turns on. Yes, and I love my TV. So this is where we are so far. And sorry, I look a little rough. It's the work week. But we're gonna start buying some more furniture, getting this apartment together and furnished. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me, and I will see y'all in the next. And hopefully we got some more steps going on. I'm slowly working on my bedroom. What I have planned for that is just like beautiful, and I'm so excited. I'm literally so excited. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next. Have a blessed day.